Hi, my name is Dr. Leneque Lindeque. I'm from South Africa and I practice in Ballito, Durban. Very little is known about aesthetic gynecology in South Africa, and it's very under-resourced in our area. And the first website that came to mind and came to my attention was the European Society, and it looked so well organized and so well versed that I decided to come on this course, and I thought it was absolutely amazing. All of the surgical techniques have been remarkable and have been easier than what is led to believe. I think Dr. Bardeur has made it so accessible and has taught us so well hands-on that all of the procedures will be very beneficial in my area. The highlight of the course was getting to know the big faces, the names behind the European Society of Aesthetics and Gynecology, and definitely the camaraderie between international doctors and being able to share ideas, share tidbits and pearls of wisdom with each other, and the socializing. My next step is going to be building up a new business and marketing what is very much unknown in South Africa, and that is aesthetics gynecology. People don't have a good understanding of it. And then getting all my equipment together so that I can start a practice.